Hello guys, in this video we'll talk about the PhD Research Fellow in Planning and Reinforcement Learning for Battery Disassembly. This PhD position is available in UIA in Norway, and we will talk more about the position, what documents we need and how we can apply for that. Creating knowledge together. When people who are committed come together to further knowledge, anything is possible. The University of Agder combines the unique warmth and charm of southern Norway with first-class scientific, technological, artistic expertise. We can talk more about that. Research topic. The focus of this PhD is to employ most recent AI techniques to optimize the dismantling process of the battery. The cognitive agent will send primitive actions that will serve as an input in dismantling process. When necessary tools are chosen to carry out the related steps that can be assigned to the various operations. Okay, so the ideal candidate will have experience in at least three of the following aspects: motion planning for multi-arm systems, deep reinforcement learning, deep neural networks, mechatronics, controls, signal processing, robotics. What are the requirements? Successful applicants should hold a master's degree in related fields like mechatronics, machine learning, AI. The candidate who is in the final stage of master's education within the relevant field may also be considered, given that a master's degree is to be achieved before enrollment of that position. Okay, the average grade of bachelor's degree should be C or above. International applicants who are not exempt from English language requirements, the guideline of Norwegian Agency of Quality Assurance in Education. So if then you need to provide the following: if your education is not according to the guidelines of Norway Agency for Quality Assurance in Education, then you need to provide the TOEFL or IELTS. Personal qualities. You should have these qualities such as ability to work independently, proactively for goal-oriented research, have good teamwork skills, close working relationships with both the industrial and academic partners, good analytical skills, good written and verbal skills. What they offer: professional development, positive, inclusive, diverse working environment, modern facilities, and comprehensive set of welfare offers, membership of Northern Public Service Pension Fund. So they are offering a very good amount of scholarship as well. So you can see this is scholarship per year. This amount of scholarship they will provide you per year. Application should include following attachments: CV, transcripts, master thesis, up to 5 representative publication or links, English certificate. If you don't have any publications, it's okay, you can still apply for that. If you don't have IELTS, you can still apply for that. Description of relevance for his her expertise to advertised position. Okay, this is the closing date of the scholarship, that position. If you have any questions, you can contact to that associate professors and head of department. For question related to application process, you can contact to that person. How you can apply is simply click here in this red button, apply now. Okay, and you will come to that page. After you will come to that page, then you can see here apply for this position. So simply click there, apply for this job, and then submit your application. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section. And kindly, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Best of luck. Bye bye.